of Arts in Elementary Education in AUP year 2013. She served as grade 4 to 6 teacher at Fort Junction Adventist Elementary School, 1999 to 2001. She served as teacher in charge at San Ramon Adventist Multigrade School on 2001 to 2003. A former teacher in Hilltop Adventist Elementary School for 12 years, taught at Magallanes Adventist Elementary School for 3 years, and at Pasay Adventist Church Elementary School for 4 years. She also served as a school principal at Cabiao Adventist Elementary School. At present, she is currently serving as the school principal of Tigaon Adventist Elementary School. Our speaker is very passionate in serving young people. We are lucky that she really found a way to be with us today despite of her busy schedule. Without further ado, join me as I welcome our guest speaker for today's commencement exercises. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest speaker, Mrs. Naomi Piloneo Velancio. A round of applause, please.
Hello, nice to be back sa sariling barangay.